Welcome back to Collecting Cars. Now today we have this 911 ST. Well, not quite, but this recreation is pretty damn close to that holiest of 911s. This car started life in 1972 as a 911T with a 2.7 litre MFI twin plug engine, but it's been lovingly reimagined as a 911 ST as captured in the film The Speed Merchants. The original STs that inspired this car offered 911S customers the opportunity to have a stripped back competition machine, a bit of a gentleman's racer really. The car got wide and flared wheel arches and lightweight paired back interior without losing any of the beautiful lines. This car also has faithful period features like this factory aluminium ST front bumper with the bonnet straps and spotlights to complete the look. Now, no such luxuries of having carpet at the front of this Porsche, but instead we've got the fuel tank which sits in the centre, and the fuel cap is actually underneath the hood. You can't actually fill this without opening the bonnet. And then we have the spare tyre. Now, interestingly about this particular car is that round the back it's got what looks like a fuel filler cap, but that's actually where you put the oil. And many people, I think, have probably made the mistake in the past of then filling that with fuel only to ruin the engine. The interior of these old 911s are always a delight, but in particular if they've got things like these leather shield bucket seats with Britax harnesses. This one's also got a roll cage in the back and a fire extinguisher mounted where the back seats would be. It also has a lovely RS steering wheel that totally completes the look and is correct for this car. Gone are any carpets, and those are replaced with lightweight rubber matting. And now the best bit, it's time for a drive. Getting into any 911 is always quite exciting because whilst you think you know the formula, the cars are actually all very different. What remains consistent throughout them all though is that they're drivers' cars first. They just so happen to be the most practical sports car at the same time. To say that all 911s are the same is just like saying that we're all the same, that we don't have any differences or foibles. But I mean it's like chalk and cheese driving a modern 911 to this. It really is. Is the size of these classic 911s just being that little bit smaller means they're much more manageable. This particular 911 has been really well cared for, and the current owner has taken it to loads of events and gone on various tours and really enjoyed it, and I think it's all the better for it really. It's lovely to see these cars properly used. It's no garage queen at all. The other great thing about this, of course, as well, is whilst yes it is an ST recreation and a stripped out sports car, you can actually make a long journey in this and go for a cruise, go for a tour through Europe and still be comfortable in these lovely bucket seats. That'd be no problem at all. So whether you choose a resto mod or a recreation comes down to personal taste and budget, of course. But there's definitely a 911 for every taste and budget. And at Collecting Cars, we've had a fair few of them. Everything from a 924 to a Singer. And there's good reason for that, just because they make such great usable sports cars that make you feel special. I could just not get bored of this thing. I'd love to drive it on a number of different tours around Europe or rallies, it'd be absolutely perfect for that. And this one comes complete with the rally exhaust, so you can uncap those and make even more noise. When there's so much of something, you can sometimes find yourself deliberately not wanting to like it. And that can be said for the copious amounts of Porsche content found online amongst the automotive community. And it's great, we can see the variety of what the brand offers, but sometimes you can feel just a little bit Porsche fatigued, and that is, of course, until you get back into one of these cars and experience it, because there is nothing like it. They all have the DNA which make Porsche cars so great and such competent sports cars, but then they all have their own personalities. Oh, what a glorious day to be driving a car like this. Listen to this. And that sound never gets old. It's a really cool car, this 911 ST. You really can't beat them, but fear not, it's a lot of fun joining them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.